Welcome to day 12. Today, we're building a WhatsApp UI clone using Flutter. And trust me, it's simpler than it looks. We start by creating a new home screen with a stateful widget. Inside the scaffold, we use an app bar with a title, actions, like search and more options, and a bottom tab bar with tabs for chats, status, and calls. We then use TabBar view to switch between different screens. For each screen, like chats or status, we build UI using ListView Builder to display multiple items dynamically. To keep the code clean and reusable, we create separate models for chats, status, and calls, passing the data through them. For profile images, we use circle avatar with network image and add styling using box decoration, border radius, and custom colors. Each list item has a title, subtitle, and a trailing widget, like time or icons, just like real WhatsApp. This is my first WhatsApp UI clone, and I realized it's not that hard. It's all about breaking it down into simple, reusable widgets.